As you can see here in this diagram, ex-militants are meeting. You know why they are meeting? It is about pipeline guards. And you know what happened? The other time we had in the news that the pipeline guarding contract given to Tomporo expired. So there is need for renewal. And since then, they have been fighting for, to have a share of that contract. It is all about money. It is all about money. Asari, you know why Asari has been doing what he has been doing? He needs to prove to Tinubu that he is an enemy of the enemies of Tinubu. And in that sense, he's trying to tell Tinubu he's an enemy of Ndibo. And for being an enemy of Ndibo, that he deserves those pipeline contracts. Can you imagine? And that is what is happening. They are scrambling for it. It is time for renewal. The 40 billion or 50 billion naira given to Tompolo has expired. So, and it was during Buhari's time. So there is need for renewal. And rather than focus on this renewal, Asari will do all it takes to show Tinubu that he's equal to the tax, that he can have it. He wasn't happy when it was given to Tompolo. Yes, he said, who is Tompolo? And how he said his own area will not be guarded by Tompolo. Meanwhile, it's like Tompolo is a free man. He settled a lot of people. I don't know how much he will take home, but he settled a lot of people so that they will stop the oil bunkering and vandalizing of pipelines. So that is it. Asari should have focused on this, since their people have made up their mind that what they would do is to guard pipelines, guard their own pipelines. So some of these pipelines, like I said earlier, were laid under their houses. And these pipelines are going to somewhere. And most of the oil well there are owned by outsiders. Now their work is to guard it. Okay, that is what they chose to do. And we should be left out of this. Meanwhile, we have oil and we should also have a say in this matter. But that aside, I expect Asari to focus on his pipeline guard. Make sure each time money comes, make sure your community is benefited. If that's the only way you people can, apart from the 13% derivation. So that is it. They are now scrambling. The former militants are scrambling for who will be in charge of the pipelines. I know certainly it will be split among them this time. Asari seems to have done something that is pleasing to Tinubu. And so, so you can see why he's making all those noises. Why he's like, oh, Edi Abali. Each time he comes to Abuja, oh, he wants to stop soldiers who are planning a coup. If it were soldiers or people who are announcing an interim government, he is the one to stop them. Can you imagine? Why not focus, Mr. Man? Igbos are not your problem. That is the essence of this video. Focus on guarding the pipelines. Yeah. Focus, continue what you are doing, since it pleases you that your job is to guard pipelines of oil that belongs to you. Focus on it and leave Igbos alone. Igbos are not your problem. Igbos are people who are trying to survive. So Asari, look at them. And there are many of them. It's just that Asari is taking it, I don't know. There are several of them. We have the Ateketon. I've forgotten the other ones. There are warlords there, militants there. And, there have been militants demanding for their right. And now they have settled for pipeline guards. And it's like Tompolo had the lion's share during Buhari's time. And this time around, they have to scramble hard for it. And that is why they are here. Asari, focus on your Focus on it. It's better. Mm. Keep focused. Forget about Igbo. Igbo is an ethnicity, and Igbo is bigger than you. And Igbo is not even looking your way. Igbo is concerned about their survival. Every man in his own house. So focus. So let's see the news here. Look at what is happening here. It says ex-militants meet over pipeline surveillance contract. And most of their conversations were held behind closed doors. This is a kind of shameful conversation on, you are trying to like negotiate for not your own oil this time around. You are negotiating to guide the pipelines that move your oil away. So it's a closed door meeting. But according to this report, they said it is believed that the issue of combating crude oil theft also featured prominently in their discussion. On guarding it, simple. The discussion was to on how to guard it. It's not really that they want to protect their resource. No, they are protecting their resource for those who are now who are taking it away. You wonder how many Niger Deltans have oil wells, are in charge of oil wells. So where did they meet? They met in Okrika, that is River State. You hear in the news that they are to discuss issues surrounding pipeline surveillance. But the fact is, the issue, what they are discussing is how to share money for pipeline guard. So that, money will come. It's about money. That is the cocoa of the matter. Let them share well. And by the way, pipelines that cross Igbo areas Igbos should also get involved in this. We should be paid for it. So, according to the report I have here, the meeting was held on Saturday at the Okrishi Palace of the King Ateketom. Ateketom is a king in Okrika Kingdom. And those that were in attendance are Asari Dokubo, Ajube Bipobiri, aka Shooter Sight, and Victor Ben Ebikabowe, General Boilov. It's like Tompolo is not there. Tompolo used to have the lion's share, like I told you, or you already know. Tompolo is not there. Because Tompolo may not want to share it with anybody too. He wants to retain the contract, and I know he's working behind the clock too. Now that it has expired, regards giving him another contract. I don't know how many years, whether a year or two. So the meeting was low-key, according to this report, and they didn't allow pressmen to see where Asari will be saying, and I'm go control this area, see how much I go get to. Anyway, according to a source that was familiar with the development, he said, confirmed on condition of anonymity, that part of the meeting's objective was to discuss and agree on strategies to carrying out pipeline surveillance contracts with the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited, NNPCL, in the region. So when they came out from the meeting, it was said that they were happy. Oh, when you discuss money to the tune of billions, even if it's still a chicken change, imagine if those resources were yours. Actually, you could make more. But meanwhile, it's okay. At least, at all, I'm bad. I got the pipelines. So they're happy. Their faces were full of smiles. They were so happy, and they posed for photographs. Meanwhile, they didn't want to say what they discussed, but in anticipation, there's a kind of money that will be coming your way. You are expecting. You'll be like, you know how you feel, because something will enter accounts. So again, Asari, Igbos are not your problem. Focus on your pipeline garden. You don't have to try to impress Tinubu while insulting Igbos so that you can get this. You can always get it without trying to insult another ethnicity to impress Tinubu. You can always go and negotiate for a pipeline guard. And that is the essence of this video. You can always have it. It's your right. If you can't have the main thing, be in control of the oil wells, you can be guarding the pipelines. Leave Igbos out of this. Unless the areas that has to Igbos also have stake in this. Igbos have oil producing areas. You give them their dues. What is due them? And anyway, I say make I bring viewers this one. Share widely. Share widely. People should know why Asari has been, Thanks for watching anyway. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for more updates. Bye-bye for now.